I am feeling for what minifigure is in here, and I can tell you who it is without even opening it. You can tell it's completely sealed, and before I open it, I'm gonna feel around. I feel a dog. Now, no one in this series has a dog other than Miguel, so I am gonna be extra sure by feeling this piece here. You can't really see, but I'm feeling a hood, and you can see here it's literally a hood, and he comes with a little dog right there. So this has to be Miguel from Coco. And let's open and see if I'm right. You can tell I'm not cheating. No holes to peek in. It's not opened at all. So let's check if I'm right. There it is. It's Miguel with his dog. He's got the little small legs, perfect. And the torso of the jacket's really cool. Oh, there's arm printing as well. Oh, wow. It even has sleeves. All right. And what's cool about this minifigure is that they easily could have turned the head around and then it became Dia de los Muertos, but instead they gave you a whole new head, which is really awesome. And of course his guitar. And there we have Coco, and with an extra head, which is awesome. Can never have too many minifigure heads. So that is how you figure out whether your Disney 100th anniversary Lego minifigure bag is Miguel. Hope you enjoyed.